What do? I ain't gotta hide.
Stop!
So I was waving at my grandpa. So I got informed that I'm gonna film a bike check. So if you guys want to check out my bike, here it is. Oh shit! All right. So to start it off, we'll start from the front, and we shall move to the back. So in the front, I have a demolition. Shout out, Momentum. Oh, that truck's gonna make a lot of noise. Ow! That's not even funny. Just leave. All right. So Momentum. All right. Odyssey hazard light.
It's like coming upon right now.
Anno red. Okay.
You said anal red. What the fuck did you say?
I also got the Odyssey Vandero. Hey!
You got headphones and you can't hear.
Odyssey Vandero 2 front hub. Ezra peg. Eastern bird peg. I stole it by accident. Shit, there's not enough light. Hey! Follow me.
This is our house.
Yo, this is my house, by the way. I live in a mansion.
Okay.
Wow, why is it bright over here? That must have some sunlight
Where
still.
were we? Oh yes, the fork.
I got a cruise on my leg.
I've got Odyssey Director forks.
Which way are they directing into?
The front, where you get it in. So they're directing. Good, pretty good.
Did I bruise that? Dude, there's a bruise on my leg.
Ian. Hey.
Did you see it?
No, I didn't. Shit, my pants fell down when I ran. We're all good. Okay, moving upwards. Yeah, I know. I have the Sunday Freeze 52 millimeter OM stem
What kind?
Sunday.
Like, what kind of Sunday?
Freeze
Freeze what?
OM.
What,
Hey,
size?
here's my bike check. I also have S&M Holder bars. 875 right. Hey! Shut up.
I'm 69
I got the ODI Stay Strong grips. They're pretty strong, even though I wore through them. That's just from today, if you can see. I don't even know what these are, man.
Can you see the lightings on it?
Get the light. Alright. So that is the front, the frame. Oh wait, Kink Bike Co headset. It's pretty ceramic and it's pretty like $100. It's pretty sweet. So I got my frame. Take that. My frame. It's a premium. Death trap.
Oh, fuck.
Premium.
Oh, my leg again. My tire. My seat keeps on hitting
Not my fault you can't bike.
my leg.
Premium death trap. Yep. And oh, look at the front. It's a pretty cool sticker. It's pretty cool. It's I Heart Empire with an Odyssey. It's dope. Okay, so it was black, and then this retarded kid decided to splash paint all over it. The pedals, they're gusset, and they're plastic. You see, with metal pins, and I really like them.
Oh my god, are you okay?
Red line. It's okay. He's just a hobo.
Maybe
Nobody
we should
likes
take him to the
anyways.
hospital.
Who cares? Redline device cranks. They're pretty good. I really like them. Oh, there's people coming.
Get away.
The black label. It's pretty dope.
Stay on the ground.
It's so shitty. The black label. Never buy it. Never. Never in life. Never. Because it's shitty. But I'm too poor to buy a new one. Who's coming? And you stay out.
I think I dislocated.
Moving on. They're both Redline device and they're both gusset.
Dude, you have two of the same crank?
Yeah, I know.
Shit. You're so gay.
Stop it! Okay, I got my Sunday Some people call it chain wheel. It's really called a sprocket. So if you call it chain wheel, you're fucking stupid.
Define sprocket.
I call it a chain wheel.
Sprocket, you put it on the chain, and it's a wheel. So I got my kink seat post.
How do you know
seat
it's kink?
It's got the K on it for kink.
How do you know
It's got
that
the kink
doesn't
seat.
spell it?
Kink
How do you know that
seat.
doesn't say like
It says
kink?
kink. It says kink on it. I got Eastern bird
Kink, for
peg.
fuck's sake.
Eastern bird. Oh wait. I got it pretty good. Shout out to Home Hardware for hooking me up with my chains. They give me a good deal. They're usually $10.99. They give them to me for $17.
I got mine from Walmart.
That's sick. Okay, my Ezra peg, Easter bird. Oh shit, I already said that. Okay, my Specialized dirt tire. It's real grippy, real grippy. I really recommend it. What the fuck?
Christmas time is near.
And my back wheel? My back wheel? Here, I'll show you. I'll show you. So it's got Odyssey Hazard Light. Primo mix. It's pretty loud. You want to hear? Pretty dope. You know, I got. Is this Daily Grind or BSD?
Was that Jesus that was ringing the bells?
Is this Daily Grind or BSD?
BSD.
Got my BSD hub guard. And that's pretty much. I think that's it. I think if I missed anything, hit me up in the comments. Facebook me.
Dude, you got valves on there,
Twitter
don't you?
Me. Oh shit! No, I don't.
Dude, your voice changed.
Twitter me.
Did you just hit puberty?
Twitter me. And I'll hit you up. Ugh.
Oh, fuck.
Well. Shit. There's the bike check. Thanks for hitting me up.